precision is coming from Mark 12, 41 to 44. Come on, guess what it is? The poor widow who gave 2 coins, opposite. The rich who gave very glamorously, so much to the Lord, very glamorously. Maybe it might have happened on the Holy Wednesday, as I see the sequences which are recorded in the Gospel. It should have happened on the Holy Wednesday. You know, Sunday he comes into Jerusalem, Monday comes back to Jerusalem, Tuesday these questions were asked, Wednesday he was sitting near the offering box. I do not know why he was sitting near the offering box. That is a great question, please think about it. Why on earth Jesus should sit near the offering box? He was sitting near the offering box, and there was a simple, humble, poor lady who gave only 2 coins, and there is a great number of people who had so much of ostentation. You know the word ostentation? So much of propaganda. I like this particular scene in Love Divine. You know, I love to go to Love Divine in Pasmalai. You should also go there. One scene I very much like in Love Divine. You know what is the scene? Rabbi Eliezer, Kaniki Podavarilla, Parak, they will say in Tamil. Rabbi Eliezer, Kaniki Podavarilla, Parak, they will say. And that is a great, interesting scene actually. Have you seen that? Have you? Have you not gone to Love Divine at all? So, it's simplicity of faith, opposite to ostentation of faith. Therefore, here I see the juxtaposition between the poor widow and the rich people. It is not only for a model of giving, but a challenge to the exploitative economic system of the day. Please listen to me very carefully. It is not only a model for giving, but a challenge to the exploitative economic system of the day. You know why? You know why? Simply, I was reading this evening, the sequence of the text. The sequence of the text. You know, this particular text comes in Mark 12, 41 to 44. What is just preceding to this text, you know, Mark 12, 38, it is about the scribes who devour the widows. Come on, think about it. What is the relationship between the text about the scribes who devour the widows and the widow who has only 2 coins? Is it because of the devouring of the scribes this lady has been turned to be like this? And the second thing is, what succeeds the text? What succeeds? What follows? The glamorous, the ostentatious temple of Jerusalem. The disciples were asking, Lord, see the great glamour of the temple. Immediately Jesus says, do you see this temple like this? It will be demolished. Why on earth this comes immediately after the incident of the poor widow? The point is, you people, you have built this temple this glamorously by the very offering of the poor people like this. Be careful. This is the message. This is the message. So let me finish my first point. Jesus was always to the poor, challenging the rich. The negative model of the rich young ruler and the positive model of Zacchaeus. These are all things that we need to be remembering on this day.